Hey everyone, welcome back to Tools Inspector. Today, we're checking out 10 futuristic survival gadgets from Amazon that'll make you feel like a real-life action hero. Stick around, because by the end of this video, your survival kit might look completely different. Let's dive in. Number 1. Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent. Imagine being stuck in the woods during a storm, and within seconds, you pull out a small bag that turns into a full emergency tent for two. The Go Time Gear Life Tent is made from NASA-grade mylar that reflects 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm when things get rough. It's lightweight, compact, and comes with a paracord and an emergency whistle, because yelling for help is overrated. Perfect for hikers, campers, and anyone who takes adventure a little too literally. Number 2. Titanium Camping Axe. If Thor ever went camping, this is the axe he'd use. It features two interchangeable hickory handles and a precision titanium head that slices wood like it's nothing. Part tomahawk, part hammer, it's built for chopping, pounding, or cracking open coconuts in style. The slip-fit design makes it travel-friendly, and a sheath keeps it safe when you're not feeling like a superhero. Number 3. Bayite 4-inch survival Ferro rod 4 starter. Forget lighters. This Ferro rod is the real deal. It throws huge sparks at over 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, lighting fires in rain, wind, or snow without breaking a sweat. It comes with a paracord lanyard and striker, so you can literally wear your firepower around your neck. If you've ever watched a survival show and thought, I could do that, this is where you start. Number 4. Fiskars Pro Retractable Utility Knife. Who said box cutters can't be tough? This retractable utility knife is built with a carbon steel blade that stays sharp longer than your camping snacks last. The dual lock system prevents accidents, and the folding design fits easily in your pocket. Perfect for camping, DIY jobs, or just slicing open your next box of Amazon gadgets. Number 5. Canon Sports Electric Ball Inflator Pump. Meet the pump that doesn't quit. With a powerful 1/8 HP motor and built-in pressure gauge, this inflator can handle everything: basketballs, pool floats, air mattresses, even bike tires. It's compact, but strong, like a mini air compressor that's obsessed with perfection. If you've ever spent 10 minutes pumping by hand, this gadget will feel like magic. Number 6. LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern. Simple design, brilliant execution. The LuminAID lantern is solar-powered, inflatable, waterproof, and incredibly bright. And yes, it was featured on Shark Tank. It folds flat, charges in sunlight, and inflates into a glowing cube that lights up your whole campsite. Perfect for camping, power outages, or late-night backyard adventures. Number 7. ECOFLOW Portable Power Station Delta 3 Plus. This one's a game changer. The ECOFLOW Delta 3 Plus packs 1024 Wh of power, runs laptops, fridges, or cameras, and charges from 0 to 80% in under an hour. Its LiFePO4 battery is long-lasting, safe, and reliable for years of use. Whether you're off-grid or stuck in a blackout, this gadget keeps your gear and your coffee machine alive. Number 8. Tactical Walking Stick with Stun Gun. This isn't your average walking stick. It's a fortress on a pole. Built from military-grade aluminum, it features two LED light modes, a built-in stun gun, and even a USB charging port with a cooling fan. It's designed for self-defense, trekking, or just looking like the most prepared person on the planet. A true multi-tool for outdoor explorers. Number 9. Rechargeable Camping Flashlights 2-pack. Small, powerful, and reliable. These flashlights offer 6 light modes, 3,000 mAh rechargeable battery, and IPX4 waterproofing. They double as lanterns and are perfect for emergencies, camping, or late-night power cuts. Since you get 2, keep one in your bag and the other for those spooky campfire moments. Number 10. 4Patriots Sun Kettle Solar Water Heater. This gadget literally runs on sunlight. The Sun Kettle can heat up to 16.9 ounces of water in minutes. No batteries, no fuel, just clean solar energy. It's perfect for coffee, tea, or purifying water when you're off-grid. Compact, efficient, and built to make survival feel like luxury. Which one would you add to your survival kit? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Tools Inspector for more epic finds every week. Until next time, stay sharp, stay ready.